Okay, so today I will be showing you how to make a media player in Visual Basic 2010 Express. So we'll go ahead and open up Visual Basic, new project, name this whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Apricot Media Player. Resize it up to about there. Now, what you want to have, what you want to have in Toolbox is the Windows Media Player component. So right-click on Toolbox, choose Items. This will come up. COM components. Then you got to go right down to the bottom and Windows Media Player. Make sure this is checked. Then go OK. So I've already got it on right there. But right now what we want to do is change it from saying Form 1 to our media player name. So I'm going to go ahead, just in text, I'm going Apricot. Now you don't have to do this, but I like to do it. Makes it more organized. But you can rename this to, I'm going to rename mine to main.vb. So yes, it just makes it more organized and easier to navigate. So what you want to add in is a panel. So add it in, then I'm going to name mine to control panel. Then find dock and then change it from none to bottom. So it's like there. Alright, now we can go ahead and add the media player component. So add it to it. Just like that. Then I suggest renaming it. It's just easier. I'm going to name mine media player box. Actually no, just player box. Then what you want to do is go back to dock, go and dock it full fill. Then right click on the media player component, click properties. Now what you want to do here is, at the moment it's full, so it will show all these. You can go mini, then apply, which just shows them. But for this we're going to do none, so it'll show up none. Then what you want to do is make sure the stretch to fit checkbox is checked in playback options. Click apply, then click OK. Well, that seems a bit too high. So now what you are going to do is add 4 buttons. This one's going to be play button, the play button. Okay, and just put that in here. Don't put it up like full the extent, because we're going to use the top part of the panel later. Then just copy and paste. This one will be our pause button. I like to rename all my components. Just makes it a lot easier to navigate. clean. Stop button and text stop. Now you're going to add another button. I like to make mine a different size. This will be your open button, so you can change the text to open, or if you want to be really fancy, dot 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 dot. Then if you're going to put dot 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 dot, I suggest renaming it to open button or something along that lines. It gets confusing otherwise. And yes, so there we go. There's our GUI of the media player, pretty much. So now what we're going to do the coding. So double click play. In this, you want to write this will be whatever the name of your media player is. Playerbox.ctl controls dot play brackets. So that's pretty much all the code is for play, pause, and stop. So you can copy it from the dot to there. Copy. Go back here. Double click on pause. Paste. Type pause brackets. And same for stop. Stop brackets. Now we're going to do the open button. So double click on the open button. Now what you're going to type in is dim DLG as open file dialog. What this does is this when you type in DLG, so say for example DLG dot show dialog, it will pretty much that when you type in so it will show an open file dialog. It's just easier and quicker than putting an open file dialog component in. So you can use that. So now what you're going to use an if statement. So if DLG, the open file dialog dot show dialog equals windows.forms.dialog result.ok. Then what this does, we forgot the new. So before open file dialog, we're going to have to put new. So it's like that. So now so this pretty much means is when the dialog opens, when you click the open button, and you select a button, if the whatever file you open in here, if you click OK or just double click the file, it will do whatever is in here in this, whatever code's in this. So the code we're going to be using is the media player component again. Player box dot URL equals DLG, our open file dialog, dot file name. So pretty much the file name is whatever file you've chosen in there. It's the URL of that file. and which in turn means the URL of the media in the player box. So I will go ahead and show you. So you can go debug. Here it is there. So like that. Then see, we've got the play, pause, stop. Now we can go open, browse one, and it loads like that. So we can pause, play, stop, play, and then open another one, play, and there we are, it's good to go. Alright, so this is all I will be showing on this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will be showing you how to add the seek bar and the volume bar. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Please subscribe. That's all. Thanks.